Morning all. I have a barky dog all day by the sounds of it. Next door neighbour's dog. So today we are doing a front drive, patio and garden paths. So I'll just spin you around. So usual slabs, nothing special. Rippled or pimpled I should say. Lots of black spots. A little bit of weeds coming through the joints. They're not mortared at all, it's just a butt face on the joints, so not too bad. Bit of a sink on the patio, the driveway itself, but the usual black, white spot, weeds, moss, just the usual really, so not too bad. Side path, usual black spot, bit of mould, bit of algae. This will all come up. A little bit of mould in the joints, so got some. Okay, so some slabs come up, I think some are a lot newer than others. Still a lot of lichen, black spot stuff in between the slabs, so I'll get this treated, I'll get it rinsed off, then treated, and attack the corners, edges with the turbo lance. It's not come out too bad, to be honest with you. At this rate, I'll be able to get it sanded today. It's not a cold day, but it's not a really baking hot day. But I think it's about 16 degrees in old money. We'll get cracking. A quick update. So whilst I'm waiting for the water to fill, flat surface cleaned, the whole lot front and back, and turbo lance got any of the white spot, predominantly white spot, actually really grabbed hold of the pimpled paving slabs for some reason. So I got the turbo lance out on those. I just need to wait for water now to fill up, and then I will apply the sodium hypochlorite, let that stand for a while. Customers just made me a coffee, so what better time to drink my coffee whilst waiting for the water to fill up. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Cheers. Sanding time. Okay, quick blow off and we're done on the back. And we're complete. So resanded. It's looking pretty good, to be honest with you. I'm actually surprised how well it came up. The colour compared to where the car normally sits, it's not come up too bad, to be honest with you. Quite impressed. Dare I say it, almost looks new. Nearly, anyway. Okay, so we're done. All done and dusted, resanded, all done. I think it's come out pretty well. Customer's very happy with it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. We're starting to pick up some followers now, so that's all good. Hopefully we will see you shortly, and that's how we do it on GuardianHydroClean.